Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments below how your day is going. Mine's doing fine. Anytime I get any unboxings, boxes in the mail, anything, I'm always happy. Except for today. Would you look at my background? She's bright. I ordered a new background off of Amazon. That's where I order my backgrounds. I was going to say that's where I order my Amazons. That's where I order my backgrounds at, and it looked totally different online. And when I got it, I was like, holy, that's bright. So let me know down in the comments, what do you think of it? Is it too bright? If you don't like it, read me the filth. Let me know, because I can always put the other one back up and keep looking for a new one. So let me know. Tell me your honest opinion. It will not hurt my feelings. Anywho, if you read from my title, we are going to be doing the August 2019 Tribe Beauty Box. So I'll tell you a little bit about this in case you don't know. This is a bi-monthly subscription. It is $35 a month. I do have a code. I'll leave it down below in the description box to save you a few dollars off of this. You get 5 full-size items, and you're guaranteed to get at least $130 worth of value for $35. So I think that's great as well. So I do get this sent to me free. Like, I don't know if I told you, it is a bi-monthly subscription box. And I got all 3 variations. So in here, you could, this was your first month that you get to customize a palette that you wanted, and there were 3 of them. And I did get sent all 3 so I can show you guys. So I'm so excited. So let's begin and see what is in the August 2019 Tribe Beauty Box. All right. Also, since this is the first month that you can customize it, it is the first month that you don't get a product card in there. They actually email it to you. So you have to actually go in your email and look at your card to see what the prices are, because they are trying to save to get less paper, you know? So I think that's great. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open her up. And she's also going by these styrofoam things, so you can also recycle as well. So I think that is really cool. All right, so let me go on here. I have it set up right here where I can tell you what everything is. So the first thing that I see is from Cargo Cosmetics. This is a powder blush. I have tried Cargo blushes before, but it was a cream. I've never tried a powder one, so I'm definitely excited for that. I have in the shade Laguna. You can see. I believe it came in 2 shades you could have got. Yeah, you could have got in Laguna or Key Largo. And this retails for $26. So let's see what it looks like. I really like this subscription. They had came a long way from when they first started. They really have. All right, so it comes like this. It's like a tin. Oh, this is really pretty. So that's what it looks like. This is like a peachy color, and I really like this color blush. All right, so that's what it looks like. That is so pretty. Look at that, guys. That's gorgeous. Let me see if it's buildable. Yeah, because I can wear this as an eyeshadow as well. Let's see how much it blends. Just going like this. Yeah, and look, it really does blend really good. I am so excited to try this because, like I said, I've only tried the cream one, so that's exciting. All right, the next thing we got is this Priming is Everything. What in the world? Neutral Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, this is from the Balm. All right. I've never tried anything like this, like an eye primer that comes like this. All right, so you go like this. So that's what it looks like. Oh, so it looks like a little eyeshadow. Isn't that cool? I am definitely not going to swatch this because I might put this in a giveaway. Only because I don't know if I would reach for it because it's like this. And I have so many primers that I'm trying out. So I'm not sure, and I don't want to swatch it just in case. But let's read up on this puppy and see how much it is. All right. So it says the Balm Cosmetics Priming is Everything in the shade Neutral, and that retail value is for $12. All right. Then we have Bellapierre Cosmetics. This is a HD setting spray. And I do like setting sprays, but I say this in every video. My favorite is a Slay All Day. This is the one of the from the Rich Luxe collab in mint chocolate chip. I have that on today. You guys can see I've been using it. This is by far my favorite setting spray. I have a code, just Ann. I'll leave it down below to save you 30% off of anything on Gerard Cosmetics sites. But I really do like that. But I'll give this a go and see. If I don't like it, I'll give it to my daughter so she can try that out. Okay, let's see how much that is. Bellapierre is usually expensive, so. All right, I got to go to the second page because not everything's on the first page. So let's see. All right, so Bellapierre Cosmetics HD Setting Spray retails for $30. Holy crap. How many, how big is this? This is 2.46 fluid ounces. All right, you know what? Let me see what the mister's like. I can tell already it shoots out. I don't know if you guys can see. It does shoot out, but let me try my arm. Yeah, that I don't like the mister. I could tell you right off the bat. You guys can, I don't know if you can see on camera. But if I like the formula, I can always put it in something else. So that's not a problem for that. All right, the next thing we got is from Kaz Cosmetics. I've never heard of that before. All right, this is a Luxe Lip Treatment. All right, let's read up on that. Okay, Kaz, I don't know if I'm saying that right, C-A-S, Kaz, a collagen luxe treatment in Virgo, Milky Way, Pinwheel, or Andromeda. This retails for $17.99. What shade did I get? I got Milky Way. All right, so let me take the plastic off and see what color we got. All right, so I finally got that plastic off. Let's see. Let's open her up. Oh, that's actually kind of pretty. It's got like, it's like pink and has like purple sparkles in it. So I guess this is like a lip gloss. I don't know, it says lip treatment. So let's see. Doesn't really have that much of a scent, but. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, this is like a lip gloss. That is so pretty. Let's see if I build it up. I don't really see the sparkles on my hand, but it does show in here, so maybe in the light. That is really, really pretty. I love lip gloss. Like, I have a matte lipstick on now, and I always put a lip gloss on top. So I'm definitely excited to get that. I think I'm most excited for this, actually. But the stars of the star of the show is these 3 eyeshadow palettes. Now, you could customize it this month and pick out which one that you wanted. So I think that is really good. Let me read up a little bit on this and see how much they are, the prices. Now I got to go back to the other card. I wish they would put it all on one thing where you don't have to go back and forth. All right, so let's see. Ruby May Cosmetics, they're $24.99. Let me take this lip gloss off and the blush so I can do some swatches for you guys. All right, so I'm definitely excited that she sent me all 3. That way I can show you what they look like. So I'll leave right here how much the whole box came to. All right, so this is the #Vibes palette, and they're all from Ruby May. All right, so it comes with a mirror. So let me take that off. Oh, that's really pretty. So that's what that looks like. And they all have hashtags. So #Tea, #Rose, #Glow, #Flirt, #Shade, #Babe, #Mermaid, and #Psychic. All right, so let me do some swatches. And I love the fact, well, this is cardboard, that you can, you know, bend it all the way back. I really like that a lot. Or you can also like kind of put this on the table like this and kind of go in. So that's good. But I usually hold mine when they're small like that. All right, so let me swatch them and see. Oh, that feels good, that shimmer. All right, so that is the first 4. That's the top row. So let me swatch them. All right, so that's the top row. All right. And let me do the bottom row. The bottom row is all shimmers. I love this gold color one, the Psychic one. All right, so that's really pretty. Let's see how it swatches. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that blue one. They swatch pretty good. I got the Ruby May Cosmetics one from Tribe had a CBD box, and I really liked it. All right, so that's that one. I'm going to take it off and then come back so we could do the other one. All right, so I got that off, so let's do the next one. So this is the hashtag Brights one, right there. There's the sleeve. Again, same thing, you get the mirror. Oh, that's really pretty. Here we go. So that's the Brights one. All right, so this is hashtag LOL. I'm not going to keep saying hashtag. They all have a hashtag in it. So LOL Bananas Goals MOTD. I don't know what that stands for. Let me know in the comments down below. What does MOTD stand for? I don't know. Then we have Glam, Iconic, Snatched, and Boo. So I'm going to do the first 4. Well, that's a pretty orange color. All right, so there's the first 4. Oh, that yellow is nice. I'm going to go in again in this blue. Because that blue feels more like cream, kind of like. It's a powder, but it feels more, and it is buildable. So that's good. So there are the first 4. All right, and now I'm going to go with this row right there. Oh, that blue is so pretty. Let's see. There we go. That's gorgeous. Let me go in that purple to make sure I didn't go into the wrong color. That's really, really pretty, guys. I like that a lot. And I don't have any primer or anything on my arm. So I'm going to take this off and we'll go into the last one and swatch that one. All right, so the third one and the last one is hashtag Mood. Let's see what this one looks like. Well, that's pretty too. This is more like a little darker one, kind of like for fall. It gives me fall vibes. All right, so let's read. So we have, like I said, everything is hashtag. So we have drama, chaos, OMW, that means on my way. I do know what that means. Killing it, fire, extra, cosmic, and queen. All right, so let's do the first row. And these feel really good too. They don't feel dry or anything. Okay, that's pretty too. That's really pretty. All right, and now let's go into the last row, and these are all shimmers here. All right, this one here is really pretty. Oh my God, that orange one. So there we go. That is that one. I actually think all 3 are really pretty. So whichever one you got or you picked, I think you guys would like all of them. They're really, really pretty. If I had to pick, I probably would pick this one as my favorites. I tend to, you guys can see I like darker colors, but I do like the Brights one too. Like that was really pretty. This is the Brights one. It is really, really pretty. Love it. All right, so that's everything that we got. Let's recap real quick what you got for the August 2019 box. So we have the Vibes palette, the Brights palette, and the Mood palette. So like I said, you got one of them. And I love the fact that you got to customize this month for which one that you wanted. We got the Cosmetics lip gloss. So that was pretty. We got the Cargo blush, and I got it in Laguna. That's so pretty. And we got the eye primer here, which I think is pretty good. We got a bomb palette. So I really, oh, and then the setting spray, which I did not like the mister, but like I said, I will try the formula, and if I like it, I'll put it in. My favorite is the Wet n Wild. I love the mister on that. So yeah, that's everything, guys. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this box? Do you like it? Do you get it? Which palette did you pick out, or which palette did you get? Let me know, and let me know what you think about now. It's online, the product card, or do you guys rather like the card in the box? Let me know. Let me know all the tea, and that's everything. And let me know about this background. Is it too bright? Let me know. Yep, that's everything, and do not forget to let me know how your day is going. I also have 2 giveaways going on right now. I will leave them right here, so make sure that you check them out. So subscribe if you like my content, or you like me, or if you like giveaways. Hit that like, subscribe, and also hit that like button. And if you don't like it, then dislike it, but rate the video because it does help me out. And turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all of my future giveaways and videos, because YouTube isn't always giving people notifications. So if you have that on and put it to all, then you shall get it every time I upload a video. All right, that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.